Val d'Aosta, Aosta Autonomous Region, Aosta Regional Capital. The Aosta Valley is a mountainous autonomous region. It is situated in the northwest of Italy. It borders the Auvergne-Rhône Alps, France, in the west. It borders Switzerland to the north and the region of Piedmont to the south and east. The population is about 128,000. It is the smallest and least densely populated region in Italy. It is the only Italian region which is not subdivided into provinces. The region is divided into 74 communes. The capital of Val d'Aosta is Aosta. Geography. Aosta is an alpine valley. The tributary valleys include Mont Blanc, Monte Rosa, Gran Paradiso, and the Matterhorn. The highest peak is Mont Blanc at 4,810 meters. The climate. Above 1,600 meters, there is a cold continental climate. At the higher elevations, snow lasts for 8 to 9 months. There is mist almost every day in summer. It is wetter in the Western Alps. Temperatures range from -7 degrees Celsius and -3 degrees Celsius in January. In July, temperatures range between 20 degrees centigrade and 35 degrees centigrade. Elevations of between 2,000 meters and 3,500 meters usually have a tundra climate. The average temperature at 3,500 meters is below 10 degrees centigrade. Temperature averages on Pian Rosa at 3,400 meters are -11.6 degrees centigrade in winter and 1.4 degrees centigrade in July. It is the coldest place in Italy where the climate can be verified. The official languages are Italian and French. Both languages are used for the regional laws and acts. Italian is spoken more in everyday life. Education is conducted in both French and Italian. The regional language is a dialect called Valdosian. Valdosian is a second language spoken by about just over half the population. Residents in the Lys Valley speak two dialects of Valser German, Titsch and Teutsch language. Flora and fauna in Aosta and the Gran Paradiso National Park. In Aosta you can find ibex, chamois, marmots, deer, roe deer, fox, weasels, pine marten and badgers. There are many birds, including the woodpecker, wagtail, dipper, partridge, jay and warbler. Some alpine flowers. Cuisine. Potatoes, polenta, cheese, meat and rye bread are the main diet. Cheese includes fontina with PDO status and made from cow's milk and toma. Chamois meat is prepared like Parma ham. PDO, protected geographical status. Valpelline soup, fontina cheese, a selection of food, cheese fondue. Wines, the best known are Nebbiolo, Picotendro, Mordex, Morgets, Thurgay, Chardonnay, Pinot, and Merlot. Bye-bye.